Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Call your doctor about wheezing if you are wheezing and do not have a history of asthma or an asthma action plan for how to treat any wheezing. Wheezing is accompanied by a fever of 101 degrees or above. You may have a respiratory infection such as acute bronchitis, sinusitis, or pneumonia.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The wheezing sound is the result of constricted or inflamed airways, most frequently caused by asthma or COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Read on to learn more about the causes of wheezing while lying down.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
In addition to any prescription treatments and medication your doctor recommends, there are several home remedies that may help you wheeze less. Drink warm liquids. Inhale moist air. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Quit smoking. Try pursed lip breathing. Don't exercise in cold, dry weather.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To diagnose what type of wheezing you have, your doctor will use a stethoscope to hear if it's loudest over your lungs or neck. Inspiratory wheezing often accompanies expiratory wheezing when heard over the lungs, specifically in acute asthma.
Take our lead.
Use a humidifier, take a steamy shower or sit in the bathroom with the door closed while running a hot shower. Moist air might help relieve mild wheezing in some instances. Drink fluids. Warm liquids can relax the airway and loosen up sticky mucus in your throat.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Bronchitis usually lasts 7 to 14 days. The wheezing should improve with treatment during the first week. An inhaler is often prescribed to relax the air passages and stop wheezing. Antibiotics will be prescribed if your doctor thinks there is also a secondary bacterial infection.
Take our lead.
Children can stop breathing during a severe respiratory attack. If the coughing and wheezing don't settle, or if your child becomes more distressed or unwell, take them to your doctor or children's hospital straight away. Seek immediate medical help if your child is having difficulty breathing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.